Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome football watch face for you all to check out. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got a nice watch face to take a look at. This one was very interesting, very different, even for me. Now, if you're a football enthusiast, you're gonna love this watch face. The developer did an awesome job with it, and it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. So I'm liking this one. It's by Tempus Fugit. The name of this watch face is called Soccer Football World Cup 2018 Russia. Now, in AlwaysOn Mode, I like the look. I like the fact for the reason this watch face was made. It gives you an opportunity to see clearly still the name of the teams and the flags. I like it. Now, when the watch face is on, you get, of course, your countdown at the top. You get your digital time down at the bottom. You also get the days of the week down at the bottom as well. And you get the different flags for the different countries that are playing soccer, right? Now, what I like about this is that if I want to, I can double tap and I can get rid of the hands. I don't have to have it. I can see my teams clearly. But me, I like the hands because I think it looks a lot better. Now, it is an inactive watch, so if you want to tap on your shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch, you can. Again, that's a nice added feature to have shortcuts. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter of this, right? Because you can customize the theme of this watch face. Now, you double tap down at the bottom, and it opens this up. Now, we're going to go here. And you can change the teams. Now, when you change the teams, it's going to let you know how long it's going to be before those teams play again. Let's leave it at Germany. Hit the check mark. And the time should change from when the next time is going to play. Now we're up to 4 days, 11 hours, 20 minutes. So again, the developer did a nice job. Look at the flags. Very colorful. Now, this video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see this in person. This is definitely nice. Let's check out the next feature. Now, we're going to go here. Well, let's do this one first. You can change 12 to 24 hours. Here, you can change the opacity, well, not the opacity, the always on display, how dark, how light it is. I'm going to go ahead, go all the way down to 0, leave it there. So you can change that if you like. Go back in. Now, here's the meat and potatoes of it all. First off, I can change and customize the hands of the watch face. Now, I can go here. I get about 7 in all, and I like that one the best. And you can just cycle through the ones you want to change it to. Again, very nice. Now here is where it gets nice. This is where it gets nice. Now you got about 16 of these that you can customize. Now, this is probably the best looking watch face theme on here. All the rest of them are nice, but that one is the best because it goes with what the watch face is all about. Again, the developer definitely did an awesome job on this one. I like it. I don't play soccer. I like soccer. But I don't play it. But all in all, I liked what he did with this watch face. He's got down on it. What do you think, though? Because at the end of the day, it's all about you. All right, you all. I enjoyed doing this video. I'm going to give 2 thumbs up to the developer for creativity and uniqueness of this watch face. It definitely stands out amongst the crowd. All right, you all. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy, have a great day, and we'll be over the hump soon.